Oh my god.
This is Dylan about to run across the street like a retard.
On the Black Horse
On the
Pike.
Black Horse Pike at like 10 o'clock at night. Alright, Dylan, we're good. Good thing he didn't get hit by a car.
And
Oh my god, there's a car!
oh my god, the car's going.
No, there's no stars out tonight.
Dylan, you're in
Getting through the dark forest.
a bush, but it's dark so I can't really see you. What the fuck?
Dude, I want to climb on top of the RV.
Do it! Do it!
Climb on top of the RV. What's the heck?
There's a car, Dylan! Dylan is now going to attempt to climb up this RV. Let's see if he succeeds.
Perhaps that hallucine on its skin.
Oh wait, and now he's not. And some car just like laid on their horn. Who was that?
I don't know, whoever it was, they were an asshole. Probably not. I think I probably knew that.
Okay, I'm